Hello everyone, welcome to another really quick tutorial. Today I will show you how to paper trade in TradingView. So for those of you who want to paper trade and who want to start investing and practicing, this is basically how to do it. So as you can see, first of all, paper trading main functionality is known as simulated trading, right? So it's basically a fake trading, right? So basically you can start by logging in to use paper trading, right? By default, your account balance starts at $100,000, as you can see, which you're able to reset at any time, right? Now, obviously you can, hide the buy and sell button, stuff like that. You can change the, chart settings, stuff like that. But this is basically how to connect. So to connect paper trading, you need to open a chart, right? And obviously open bottom trading panel, and then here, as you can see on the trading panel, you will have paper trading right here. You just need to choose that and you need to basically go in, right? As you can see, obviously to disconnect paper trading, you can again open it and then you just log out of paper trading, right? And then open trading menu in the top right corner of the open panel, and then select disconnect and select another broker, right? So that's pretty much how to go in and how to paper trade in TradingView. If you want more TradingView tutorials, definitely check out our channel and we will see you in the next video.